Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2016 Kia Ceed. Now of course it does come with your LED daytime running lights in the bottom corners. You get halogen automatic headlights as well. You then get these brilliant black alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get on these 17-inch alloy wheels. Coming around to the rear, you do get rear parking sensors and your reversing camera, which is just there below the badge. Into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. Inside we have full black cloth interior with your grey accents. You've then got Isofix mounting points at the bottom, full electric windows all round, keyless entry and start. And then inside we also have a 6-speed manual gearbox. Air conditioning controls are just here in the middle. And then of course you get your infotainment screen, which as you can see comes with satellite navigation. You also get Bluetooth hands-free, which is on the in the media. You get your various radio bands as well with FM, AM, DAB. And then of course coming over to the steering wheel, you got your media settings on the left. So you got your source, mute, volume, track select. Bluetooth hands-free is just down below. Over to the right you have your cruise control settings and speed limiter, and then just below you then have your onboard computer settings. As mentioned earlier, you have automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see this car has done 60,653 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Ceed, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.